Hey guys, decided to make another little video. Got her installed. See the numbers here on. Ain't too bad. At 106, I'd say we got every bit 160 degree line temp on this thing. Right now it's in the 30s, say low 30s. We've been here all day finishing up. You can see it on off, brighten my line up. This one in Walmart Ozark Trail white lights you can recharge are super great, guys. You can see how bright these things are. I always just run on the low side. Thermostat wire. I wish I put a piece on now. It's super tight. But I just want to show y'all guys. I'm out of here. Peace and love to every one of you. Hope my HVAC brother's doing good tonight. Later.